WHAS11 Weather Impact Forecast is sponsored by Tom Sondergeld Plumbing and West Shore Home.
Well, with this rainfall, unlike the last one we just had, and, the temperatures dropped and we got lower humidity. Austin Evans is joining me here live. This one's going to bring in a lot of humidity and then an extreme heat, Austin.
Yeah, we got a heat wave on the way, another blocking pattern on the way, which we have already been through something like that earlier this month, but this one's going to be quite a bit stronger, and I'll get to that later on after the 7-day forecast. But tomorrow and Saturday, weather impact alert days because of widespread rain that is likely to cause at least the potential for some flooding issues. We have some storms knocking on the door of the metro right now. Will likely be in the metro within the next 45 minutes. Maybe sooner than that. And then to the west of us, there is an area of a flash flood warning north of Evansville. We're not seeing that right now, but it is possible. We do have a flood watch for these counties right here, including Jefferson County, Kentucky. That goes until 8 o'clock Saturday morning, goes in effect tonight. So taking a look here at Futurecast. It's doing an okay job showing what we're seeing right now. We will continue to see some showers and thunderstorms tonight. And then going into your Friday morning, that's when things turn fairly widespread and will last throughout the day off and on with heavy pockets, especially it looks like late in the afternoon and into the evening hours. As you can see here, some pretty widespread heavy rain in southern Indiana going into 10 o'clock, and then we expect at least some lingering showers throughout the morning on Saturday. They likely won't be quite as heavy, but with the rain that we're already going to have received by then, the flooding threat could continue. So we will continue to monitor, and you can too. Keep an eye on anything with the weather on Live Radar 24/7. It is free on the WHAS 11 Plus app. Now, here are the rain chances the next 5 days. Tomorrow and Saturday really are the target, and then they slowly go down from there. A few showers possible Sunday, maybe 1 or 2 on Monday, but by the time we get into next week, the big story is going to be the heat. All of these days, the last couple of weeks, we've been at or below average, maybe sometimes by nearly 10 degrees. That will not be the case next week. We're looking at measured highs in the mid to upper 90s some days, with feels like temperatures likely rising well above the triple-digit threshold and beginning to flirt with the 110 mark, which is dangerously hot and humid, and that will be the case across all of Kentuckiana pretty much all next week going into the July 4th holiday. We are starting to get real cloudy over downtown right now. It's not getting in the way of the fact that it's hot and humid out there. We're still in the mid-80s here in Jefferson County, but some of you are beginning to cool off, mainly in our northwestern counties where it has rained already. Tonight we will drop into the upper 60s for overnight lows. We'll stay humid overnight as that rain and storm threat moves through. Rain and storms expected all day tomorrow, heavy in pockets with highs in the lower 80s likely. Friday and Saturday are weather impact alert days because of this rain and storm threat. Again, this is mainly an excessive rainfall situation, and then we go into Sunday. We see those rain chances diminish a little bit, and then all next week getting hot and, yes, humid with some days beginning to maybe get up to that triple digit for measured temperature, which hopefully does not happen, but it is possible, unfortunately.